How to create profile on Safari. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go back to your screen, go ahead to your settings. In your settings, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just try to find the Safari app, and from here I'm going to just move on to the Safari. And what I'm going to do here, in order to create a new profile, I'm going to just scroll a little bit down till you find the new profile right here, profiles. So in the profiles section, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just click the blue highlighted word new profile right here. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna name it, add color for it, and add like a tag or probably logo for it. So a hammer and like a real estate or graduation kind of a icon, just whatever it is, just pick it and name it, and but just select the color of it. And basically after you finish, just hit done right here. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, go ahead to your Safari, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back right here, and you're gonna see right here the under the 6 tabs. After you click the plus button, you're gonna see right here like a profile or personal icon, and you're gonna just select the profile right here, the last option, and you're gonna see 3 options, and you're gonna see, as I did before, the graduation kind of icon. So I'm gonna just click it, and it's gonna open up a new pink page or new pink tab. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.